we can actually see what's actually inside the water. As soon as you dip it in, you get a reading which is negative, and if it's negative, that means it's good for you and it's promoting health. Essentia seems to have the same pH level, but what's inside of it is what actually matters. If it's positive, it's causing acid and inflammation in the body. Now, tap water is contaminated with a bunch of harmful chemicals like chlorine, which actually causes cancer. This is what happens to the water when it goes inside your body, because your body has carbon dioxide, and we're blowing carbon dioxide in this water to see how it reacts. So Essentia and tap water becomes acidic to your body, but Kangen water doesn't because it's been electrically alkalized. Whereas Essentia and tap water has chemicals in it. They just simply add baking soda to change the pH color. If you look at the back of Essentia, it says sodium bicarbonate in the ingredients, which is actually baking soda. So this tea bag is like our body. Normally you would have to boil the water to make the tea, but not with Kangen water, because the molecules are so tiny that it penetrates the tea bag and it brings out the nutrients in it.
When the water travels through the machine, it's electrified by 8 platinum plates. That process is called electrolysis. There's so much force, so much electricity going through that machine that it changes the molecular structure of the water and makes the water molecules smaller. So the water molecules become microclustered. Imagine it like this. If your cell was a chain link fence and you were trying to throw baseballs through that chain link fence, maybe 1 out of every 10 baseballs would get through. But if you threw golf balls through that chain link fence, you know that you would get at least 8 or 9 or 10 out of 10 of them through if you threw 10. And that's the difference between regular water and microclustered water. If you drink a gallon of regular water, it's gonna sit in your stomach and you're gonna feel bloated. Whereas when you drink Kangen water, you're getting cellular hydration. So you can drink a gallon of Kangen water and you're not gonna feel all bloated and uncomfortable. The water is not going to sit in your stomach. It's actually going to be absorbed on a cellular level and get into your bloodstream and hydrate your brain. It's so important to get cellular hydration. In fact, about 75% of people, if you go look it up, 75% of people are dehydrated right now. And dehydration is one of the main causes of dis-ease. So you definitely want to get cellular hydration. And the way that you do that is by drinking microclustered Kangen water.
The machine also makes 11.5 pH strong Kangen water, which has a lot of uses. So all our lives, we've been taught that water and oil do not mix, right? But is that really true? The molecules of 11.5 are so tiny and the pH level is high enough that it can actually emulsify and break down the oil. So our fruits and vegetables are actually sprayed with poisonous pesticides and they're oil-based. So when the rain comes, they don't just wash away with normal water. This water has the ability to wash off those pesticides. Like these days they're supposed to be organic with 0 pesticides, but it's a lie. And if you're not washing those pesticides off, it's literally like drinking this nasty water.